And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let us welcome with pride and applause the shining symbols of excellence, leadership, and charm. Our Mr. Corporal 2025, World Isaiah T. Bongalon, and Miss Encampment 2025, Charlotte Blair T. Jaramillo. The spotlight now shines on our Mr. Corporal 2025, a young boy whose brilliance, charm, and confidence truly captures everyone's hearts. Let us welcome World Isaiah T. Bongalon. He is a proud grade 1 pupil under the guidance of yours truly. World Isaiah is the beloved grandchild of Mr. Mauro Rislin T. Tuplano and Mrs. Pebby G. Tuplano. At only 6 years old, World Isaiah already stands out as a boy full of talent and curiosity. He loves storytelling, reading, playing dominoes, and exploring nature's wonders, showing that even at a young age, he is eager to learn, imagine, explore the world around him. With a heart full of dreams and voice ready to inspire, his ambition is to become a journalist, one who gives truth a voice and stories a soul. Guided by his powerful motto, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. World Isaiah proves that success begins with action, passion, and belief in oneself. A shining sample of excellence, confidence, and determination. Let us give our loudest applause to the deserving title holder of Mr. Corporal 2025, World Isaiah T. Bongalon. A round of applause, please.
And now, the spotlight shines on the radiant and graceful young girl who embodies confidence, talent, and charm. Our Miss Encampment 2025, Scout Charlotte Blair T. Jaramillo. She's bright, grade 1 pupil under the guidance of Scouter Kimberly May Esuena. She is beloved daughter of Mr. Wiljon P. Jaramillo and Miss Junilin P. Tora. At just 6 years old, she already captivates hearts with her passion for dancing, moving with grace, rhythm, and joy that lights up the stage. With a kind heart and a big dream, her ambition is to become a teacher. One who inspires young minds and spreads the light of